Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme in Kukai Wallet. Kukai Wallet is a web-based non-custodial wallet designed for the Tezos XTZ blockchain. It allows users to store, send, receive and manage Tezos tokens and NFTs directly through a web browser without installing any browser extension. Because Kukai is a non-custodial, you fully own your control, your wallet, your private keys and recovery phrase stay with you. Kukai cannot access or recover your funds. Kukai Wallet is a popular among beginners and advanced users because it is easy to access on laptop and mobile browser. Compatible with Tezos the apps, NFT marketplaces, and Devi platforms. Simple in design. So what does theme mean in Kukai? The theme in Kukai Wallet controls the visual appearance of the interface, such as light mode, dark mode, color contrast. So in order to change theme in Kukai Wallet, open to any of the web browser in your laptop, Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and in the address bar type down wallet.kukai.app and select to that. And once you reach into this interface over here, make sure to log into your Kukai Wallet. And on the dashboard over here on the top, you can see there's this small icon of the theme. What you can do is simply click onto this. Simply press over it and you can simply change into this dark mode default theme, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.